How to install and set up Service Victoria on your iPhone. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to set up your Service Victoria, simply go to the App Store, then search for it. After you do that, over here you can see Service Victoria. Now tap on Get, then wait for some time until the application is downloaded. After the application is successfully downloaded, launch it. You can see the various informations about the application. After you do that, over here you can see all the facilities the app provides. Now there is a home page, your wallet, QR and server saver, and in the bottom right corner over here you can see the option login. After you tap on it, in the top you can see login or sign up. Click on it, then it will take you to this page. Now over here, if you already have an account, enter your email ID and your password. But if you do not have your account and want to simply create a new one, tap on create account. After you do that, enter your email, enter a name for you and a family name. After you do that, tap on create account. Then you can successfully create an account for service. So this is how you can install and set up Service Victoria. So thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.